Now, before you go and market your CPA offers on Facebook, you need to know a little bit about who you're marketing to. So this is where you have to do a little bit of market research. So for this example, let's say you want to promote a car insurance CPA offer. Okay, now here's a site I found just searching on Google. Now I don't know if they have any CPA offers or not, but let's just say, just for this example, that we want to promote CPA offer from insurancehotline.com. Okay, so what we do, there's a couple of sites that you could go to learn more about the demographics and who we're marketing to. Okay, so what I would do is that I would just copy this URL and I would go to similarweb.com, and here you would just paste that URL here and click on search. And so this is where you could find some great information and get ideas for keywords you want to use for your Facebook ad campaigns. Okay, so let's just go down here. There's lots of information here. You get their traffic sources, you get an idea of how many visits are getting to their site, their geography. Now, for this website, you could see that the majority of the people that are coming to the site are from Canada, because this site is probably targeted towards Canadians. Okay, and you could just keep scrolling down here, and you could see what the organic keywords are and paid keywords are. Okay, so you can get some ideas of what keywords you want to use here for your Facebook ad campaigns. In social, it's not getting much social traffic, it's less than 1%, but it shows you that of the social traffic of Facebook is where they're coming from the most, 62%. So this shows that Facebook is a great platform to use to market this particular CPA offer, if it had a CPA offer. Okay, so there's lots of information on this site. Another site you would want to do some research on is alexa.com. Okay, I've already pasted the URL on here, and when you do that, you get some good information on here. For this particular offer, it's not showing you, if it's male or female or the college education, but sometimes it'll show you, okay, that this particular market, they have, majority of them have college education. So if you're marketing on Facebook, then you would target people that have college education. But unfortunately for this particular site, this insurance offer, they don't really have enough demographics on here for you to get information from. Okay, and again, you can see that majority of the people come from Canada, and you could also see the top keywords that were used to go to this site.